You don't have to know color theory to match great colors. Here's how you get the perfect color schemes every single time. First thing you want to do, go to color.adobe.com. If you have an Adobe account, I recommend you sign in because then you'll be able to load your color schemes into your apps. Okay, so as soon as it loads up, the first thing you're gonna see at the top is a few tabs. We're gonna work from the create tab. That's the one that I usually work from because I like to make my own color schemes. At the bottom, you see a collection of colors where you can get started from, and you can add more if you'd like just by hitting the add swatch, and it'll add more colors down here. On the left, you'll see color harmony, and you can choose exactly what style of color scheme that you want to use with layout. But we are going to go with complementary colors, which means that it'll match colors that are on the opposite ends of the color wheel. So let's say you already have a specific color that you want to use. Let's say I want to use this pink red right here. I can copy this color code and I can put it into this first option right here, hit paste, and it'll already line up and pick the other complementary colors that I need to use for this to work. And it'll adjust the rest of the colors based on which color that you pick. So let's say that this is the color scheme that I want to go with. It's kind of Christmassy. On the right side, you'll be able to save it to a specific group if you're signed in and you have colors already. So I'm going to add a new group. I'm going to type in Christmas theme, hit create. Just pick it right here. Theme name, I'll just name it Xmas. And then if you want other people to be able to use it, you just hit publish theme. Check that till it's blue. I don't want people to use it, so I'll just hit save now. And now it's gonna pop up into my other apps. Now here's how you find your color scheme inside the Adobe app. You go to Window, make sure your libraries is open. From the libraries folder, you can click back here and find the library that you saved it as, Christmas theme. And here it is right here. Now, what if you have absolutely no clue as to what type of color scheme you want to use? Go ahead and click explore. Let's say that I want a park setting. Let's type in park. And it's going to give me like countless different color schemes that I could choose from. It'll even show you some examples at the library. Say my Christmas theme now. I go back to Illustrator and it's already here. Hit subscribe for more Adobe tips and make sure you check out my next video. Peace.